Okay, now that I've loaded all the pots in here, I've made cones, and these are to see. I made 3 sets, and I have a couple in the back that you can't see. These will tell me how hot the kiln has gotten. Actually, they'll tell me how much heat the ware has absorbed. My next job is to brick this door up and then seal it with K-wool. So this goes something like this. The bricks are stacked in here, and I have to leave a hole where the cones are. So I'll be bricking around that, and then I'll put a brick in place there to make sure I can see the cones. So it goes something like this. I'll put these bricks over first, then I'll size things up. See if I can see the cones. And when they're going to go down. Yep. Okay. And keep bricking. And then we'll go on to show you how we lighted the kiln and the various jobs for the next 20 hours of firing this once I get this door bricked up. And there are various jobs after that too. Okay, so after hours and hours and hours of loading, after all, it began at 8 o'clock this morning, and I'm now done with loading the kiln and loading the door. I'm ready to start the firing. It's about 6:30 in the evening. I would have preferred this to be on by 4, but I guess I'm getting old. To be honest, lately I've been taking 2 days to load this thing instead of 1, and I guess I'm getting old. Okay, sometimes. Okay, I'm ready to light the burners. This is how I do that. Maybe I back it off a little bit. And there's another side that I really can't show you. There's dampers in the back here to damper down the kiln later. And we will be showing you that, how we use those. Okay. I don't really have a good shot of the dampers. I will tomorrow morning. One of the differences that we do have today versus many years ago is the advent of K-wool. This space-age material is used to seal the top of the kiln and to keep heat in. It was invented to cool nose cones. It's the material that is behind the tiles in the space shuttle. And this stuff looks like cotton, and we use it to plug any holes that are from a bad stacking job of the brick. And it's also the material I use to line the kiln with to keep heat in the kiln and refract the heat in the kiln and use as little gas as possible. This kiln will take about 185 therms of gas to fire to cone 11 or 12, which is what we're trying to do. 11 really, but we get a hot spot at 12 to get 10 at the bottom, or vice versa, we'll be fine. Now I'm firing the kiln, and I'll be checking on it every hour or so. In the beginning, maybe every 3 hours, and then later on we'll go every hour, and then at the end, maybe every 15 minutes.